GoTo Resolve is one of the top choices for IT security, but how well does it really protect your systems? Let's dive into its features and see if it's the best solution for your needs. Stick around, because at the end of this video, we'll reveal exclusive information on a free trial and compare GoTo Resolve with other options that could be better suited for your IT security goals. Now, GoTo Resolve offers a robust set of tools for remote IT support, especially aimed at businesses looking to streamline their IT management. The first thing to note is its remote monitoring and management feature. This allows IT teams to have full access to devices, so they can resolve issues remotely. This is convenient and effective, but the issue arises when it comes to real-time threat detection. GoTo Resolve security is generally good, but it falls short compared to specialized security software like endpoint protection platforms, which are built specifically to detect and mitigate security risks in real time. Next thing, GoTo Resolve's encryption protocols are solid. It uses end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your data stays secure during remote access sessions. However, it's worth pointing out that while the encryption is strong, it doesn't provide the depth of security that some dedicated cybersecurity platforms offer, like advanced multi-factor authentication or identity protection solutions. These tools can add an extra layer of defense that GoTo Resolve doesn't really focus on. The third thing to consider is its patch management system. GoTo Resolve helps IT teams push updates to systems, ensuring they're protected against known vulnerabilities. But compared to competitors that offer automated patch deployment systems, GoTo Resolve's process can feel a bit manual. With many businesses relying on automated patching for maximum efficiency, this could be a potential drawback. Now, moving on, GoTo Resolve does have its strengths when it comes to ease of use. It's simple and intuitive, which is a huge plus for teams that might not be cybersecurity experts. However, this simplicity also means it's not as customizable as some competitors. For example, some security-focused solutions allow for deep customization of access controls and security parameters, which might be necessary for larger organizations or more advanced security needs. The fourth thing to mention is its reporting capabilities. While GoTo Resolve does offer basic reporting, it's not as detailed or comprehensive as what you get with other IT security platforms. The ability to monitor and track your network security status with advanced analytics could be a deal breaker for some businesses that need in-depth visibility to manage potential threats. Finally, GoTo Resolve isn't the best for large organizations with complex security needs. While it's effective for small to medium-sized businesses, if you're looking for enterprise-grade security with features like threat intelligence or managed detection and response, GoTo Resolve may not be the best fit. So, here's where things get interesting. While GoTo Resolve is solid for remote support and basic security features, there are better alternatives for businesses prioritizing IT security. At the end of the day, your choice comes down to the level of protection and features you need. We found that tools like Alternative Software 1 and Alternative Software 2 offer more comprehensive security options and, like GoTo Resolve, provide a free trial. These alternatives can offer you the peace of mind you need when it comes to IT security, with additional benefits that GoTo Resolve just can't match. Before you go, remember that through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial available for GoTo Resolve, plus some fantastic bonuses. But we've also highlighted some great alternatives that might be even better for achieving top-tier IT security. Take advantage of our link for these exclusive benefits, and make sure you check out these other solutions as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that link in the description to get started with the best free trial available.